As assembly technicians, you know how important it is to have the right tools at your side. The Assembly Toolbox app is the tool that makes the assembly process simple. The Assembly Toolbox app is your one-stop shop for important tasks such as viewing the location of your events, reviewing the items the store has pulled for you to build, tracking the items you've built in real time, collecting final signatures from the store manager or assistant store manager, and submitting your invoices. To start your workday, you'll simply open the Assembly Toolbox app on your smart device. Once logged in, you'll be able to see your events. When an event is open, that means there's work to be done at that location. Select the map icon if you need directions to that store. When you arrive at the location of your event, there are a few simple steps you must complete within the Assembly Toolbox app. Watch for the notification to check in to pop up on your device. This will automatically appear on your screen when you have entered the store. Now you're ready to document your workload. Select Document Workload and use your device to take a picture of the items that are pulled and ready for you to assemble, like this one. The goal is to get a clear picture of the entire pile or stack of items. Now enter the total number of items that have been pulled for you to build. The number entered should be the exact count of the units that are ready for you to assemble. This number should not include any items the store is planning to pull. The number entered should correlate with the number of items in the picture you just took. Select Create Normal Invoice, and this will take you to the screen where you can see the items requested. A summary of the items will scroll across the top of the page, or you can select Pick Ticket to view all items on the list. Review the requested items and determine if there are any customer orders, displays, or other priority items, as these should be built first. Now you're ready to start assembling. Select the barcode button. This is how you'll scan the UPC barcode on the packaging of the item you're about to assemble. You'll find the barcode scanning process is easy to use, and most UPC barcodes are already built into the Assembly Toolbox app. However, if you're unable to pull up the item using the barcode scanner, you can manually type in the SKU or item number. If the item still cannot be located after attempting to scan or manually enter the item number, it is likely not an approved item. Do not build any unapproved items. Notify the store manager or assistant store manager that an unapproved item has been pulled and it cannot be assembled at this time. Now assemble the item. You're ready to move on to the next item, where you'll repeat the scan, then build process. Be sure to scan items as you build them. This takes the guesswork out of having to manually track what has already been built. Also, this keeps you actively logged into the Assembly Toolbox app, so you won't have to worry about getting timed out of the event. When you have finished the assembly steps for your last item, you're ready to generate your invoice. This is when you'll review the assembled items with the store manager or assistant store manager. Using the Assembly Toolbox app on your device, they will be able to check off each item that has been completed, as well as acknowledge that the trash has been appropriately discarded. The manager or assistant manager can now sign the invoice and input their credentials for verification. This step must only be completed by a store manager or assistant store manager. Fraudulently signing your own name is not acceptable and may be grounds for termination. Once a manager signs the invoice, it is automatically submitted through the Assembly Toolbox app. If all the requested items were assembled, the status of the event will now show as complete.